Question number 1. These organelle possess 9 plus 0 structure. Flagella, centroid, cilia, all. Correct answer is option B, centroid. Question number 2. Various colors in flowers, fruit, seeds are due to the presence of which pigment? Chloroplast, chlorophyll, anthocyanin, all of the above. Correct answer is option C, anthocyanin. Question number 3. Which organelle process hydrolase enzymes? Chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. Correct answer is option D, lysosome. Question number 4. The protoplast surrounding the centrole is called as centrobodies, centrosphere, centrofibers, centroradius. Correct answer is option B, centrosphere. Question number 5. Which organelle is associated with the formation of basal granules, cilia and flagella? Lysosome, mitochondria, centrosome, Golgi apparatus. Correct answer is option C, centrosome. Question 6. The number of mitochondria per cell depends upon the size of cell, physiological activity of the cell, types of cell, shape of cell. Correct answer is option B, physiological activity of the cell. Question number 7. How many basic shapes of bacteria are there? 4, 6, 9, 8. Correct answer is option A, 4. Question number 8. Which structure serve as a protective layer against attack by phagocytosis and by virus? Mitochondria, capsule, appendage, mesosome. Correct answer is option B, capsule. Question number 9. Which organelle possesses circular DNA? Golgi apparatus, ribosome, chloroplast, lysosome. Correct answer is option C, chloroplast. Question number 10. What is the main difference between active and passive transport? Active transport occurs by ATP. Active transport occurs fast. Energy is necessary for passive transport. Passive transport is a non-selective transport. Correct answer is option A. Active transport occurs by ATP. Question number 11. Where chlorophyll is present in chloroplast? In outer membrane, in grana and stroma, in thylakoid. Correct answer is option D, in thylakoid. Question number 12. In a plant cell, the vacuole is membrane-bound structure which store various substances and extract them. Without membranous structure. Without membranous structure, we store protein and liquid. With membranous structure, we store protein and lipid. Correct answer is option A. In plant cell, vacuole is a membrane-bound structure which store various substances and extract them. Question number 30. In higher plants, stroma of chloroplast possess light reaction related enzyme, enzyme for dark reaction, chlorophyll, ribosome. Correct answer is option B, enzyme for dark reaction. Question number 40. Microfilaments are structure that connects the cytoplasm of two nearby cells. Locomotive structure. Structure join nucleus and cytoplasm. Lignified layers between two cells. Correct answer is option A. Structure that connect the cytoplasm of two nearby cells. Question number 50. The subunit of prokaryotic ribosome are 50S plus 30S, 60S plus 40S, 40S plus 30S, 60S plus 50S. Correct answer is option A, 50S plus 30S. Question number 60. In which phase the chromosome appear clear? Anaphase, metaphase, telophase, prophase. Correct answer is option B, metaphase. In metaphase, chromosome appear clear. Question number 70. The plasma membrane is made up of protein and lipid, only lipid, carbohydrate and lipid, carbohydrate and protein. Correct answer is option A, protein and lipid. Question number 80. What substance is synthesized in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Nucleic acid, carbohydrate, lipid, protein. Correct answer is option C, lipid. Question number 90. Which of the following sentence is false? Lysosome possesses double layer structure. Lysosome is a suicidal bag. Lysosome digests all macromolecules. Lysosome possesses hydrolase enzyme. Answer is option A. Lysosome possesses a double layer structure is the false statement. Remaining three statements are true. Question number 20. Prokaryotes differ from eukaryotes in plasma membrane and nucleus, cell wall and DNA, plastid and nucleus, DNA and mitochondria. Correct answer is option B, cell wall and DNA.